morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Our day is beginning, there's so much to do. Good morning, good morning.
Welcome!
Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you today? It's good to see. Everyone here is good to see. Everyone here is good to see. Everyone here, how are you today? How are you today? How are you feeling? Are you happy?
Yay!
Or you're sad? Are you happy? Or you're sad? Oh, you are happy, Sissy?
Yes!
This is Sissy, our friend. So Sissy was singing with us. And Sissy is very, very happy. And I am also happy to be here. I am Antoinette Hunter from Amazing Grove. Yay! And this is Sissy, my friend. So Sissy is going to be our friend for today, okay? Well, you did such a good job singing and clapping your hands, Sissy. So it's time for us to go over our letter for today. Our letter for today is going to be the letter A for apple. So Sissy, can you do me a favor? Can you wait for me? And we'll see each other later. You take a break. Let me go over the letters. We'll go over our shapes. And then we'll go over our numbers and the pictures. Right, Sissy? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, Sissy, you sit right over there and wait for me. We'll see you, Sissy. Okay, Sissy is going to take a break now. Take a break, Sissy.
Wow!
Our letter for today is going to be the letter A. Can you say A?
A.
A is for apple. A is for apple. Apple. A. Can you say A?
A.
A. Look, we have a big A and a little A. A big A and a little A. Or you can call this A baby A. The A makes the sound. Can you try that with me? The A says The A says Every letter makes a sound. The A says A is for apple. Now we have our boxes here. These will be our shapes for today. Our shape for today is the square and the rectangle. So you see, the shape form a pattern because we have a square. Can you say square?
Square.
Square. Very good. And then we have a rectangle. Can you say rectangle?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Good job. So we have next is a square. What comes next? Rectangle. So we're going to count it, but first I want us to go over the pattern one more time. Square, rectangle, square, rectangle. Yay! So we have two shapes for today. We have square and rectangle. And now we are going to count them and see how many shapes we have all together. Are you ready to count with me?
Yes!
Yes, good job. I love to count, and I want us to count together. Are you ready? Yes? Okay, so let's count. I'm going to take the number from down here and put them right in the box. Remember, we start counting from left to right. Can you say left to right?
You did it!
Good job, left to right. Now let's count. First, we're going to count 1. I'm going to place it right in the box. 2, right in the box. 3, right in the box. 4, right in the box. Very good. So we have how many shapes? 4. Let's count it now. Are you ready? Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's go over the shapes that we have in the box. We have the number 1 square right in the number 1 square box. 2 right in the rectangle box. This is the square. We have another square. Number 3 is on the pink square. And then we have the number 4 on the pink square in the rectangle box. Let's do it one more time.
Okay.
1 is right here. It's on the pink paper. The number 1 is right on the pink paper in the square box. The number 2 is on a pink square paper in the rectangle box. And the number 3 is the same on the pink square paper in the square box. And we have the number 4 on a pink square paper in a rectangle box. Yay! Good job. Now the reason I have these boxes here is because I have a question to ask you guys. And a question uses a question mark. That is why I have the question mark here. Whoa! Did you see all of these pictures? So we have all of these pictures here. The question is, can you find the letter that begins with the same sound as apple? Apple. The A says A. The A says A. Every letter makes a sound. The A says A. A. A is for apple. And A is for what else begins with A? Right down here. The question mark. I'm going to repeat my question one more time. I'm going to repeat my question one more time. And the question is, can you find the letter that begins with the same sound as apple? Now let's go over our pictures here. This is a lemon. Lemon. Does it start with the letter A? Lemon.
No!
I think it starts with the letter L. We have the ambulance. Which one of these begins with the letter A? Is it the lemon or the ambulance? Ambulance. Good job. The ambulance starts with the letter A. A is for ambulance. A, big A and little a is for ambulance. Wee, wee, wee. So I'm going to put the ambulance where? On the number 1. I'm going to put my ambulance right here because we start counting from left to right. So I'm going to bring the number 1 right down here, and I'm going to place my ambulance right here, A for ambulance, in the square box. So the number 1 goes right below the ambulance. Now let's see what comes next. Is A for lion?
No.
Lion. What sound do you hear when you hear the word lion?
L.
L.
Wow.
Good
You
job.
did it.
So we're not looking for letter L. We are looking for letter A. So which one of these begins with the letter A sound? Astronauts. Astronaut. Right here. Astronaut, very good. Start with the letter A. Astronaut. Can you say? Astronaut, very good. And I'm going to take out number 2 and put it right below the rectangle. And I am going to place our astronaut right here. Push, push. Good job. Now we have more pictures here at the bottom. Let's see. Number 3 is right in the square box right there. Let's see what picture begins with the letter A sound. Is it the lemon or the ant?
Yes.
It is the ant. A for ant. Ant. A for ant. Big A and little a is for ants. Where should I place it? 3 comes right down here and goes at the bottom. And I'm going to place my ant right in the square box right there. Awesome. So we have the number 4 is the last number. I love it. Number 4. Let's see. Which one of this picture begins with the same letter as in apple? Which one of these pictures begins with the same sound as apple? I'm still asking you a question. Can you find that picture that begins with the same sound as apple? Yes. Is it a lion? Is it a lemon or an alligator? Alligator. It is an alligator because the alligator makes the sound. So I am going to take my alligator and place it right on the number 4 at the bottom and put my alligator right over here in the big rectangle box. This is a huge rectangle box. I'm gonna place it here. Wow! Now let's see what letter begins with the same sound as A. A. Let's see what letter begins with the same sound as apple. Apple. A is for ambulance. Ambulance. A is for astronauts. Astronaut. A is for ant. Ant. A is for alligator. Alligator. A says The A says and the A says Yay! Now that we have all the letters that begins with the same sound as apple. Let's practice writing our letter A. First, we're going to write the uppercase A, or we can call it the big A, or we can call it a capital A. Let's practice writing our letter in the air. Are you ready? Yes. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up and stop. We're going to make a line going down. We're going to go back up and make another line going down. And then we are going to make a straight line in the middle. Can we practice making it one more time? Yes? Okay, let's try it again. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Whoa, I'm placing my finger right up in the air. I'm going to go down. I'm going to go back up, down, and I'm going to make a line in the middle. Okay, now that you've practiced making an uppercase A, we're going to try to make our lowercase a. First, we'll make a curved line like a C and one line down. Now we're going to make a curved line like a C.
Wow!
And one line down. Can you try that? Curved line and one down. Let's do it again. One more time. Curved line and one line down.
You did it!
You did a wonderful job. See you next time on our circle time on Tuesday. See you. Goodbye.